Welcome to Teacher Gio Teaches English in Asia. Today I'm at Ayala Mall. I'm going to do a quick little video just on types of girls that you can meet here at the mall and what significance the mall has here in the Philippines. Well, first of all, you have to understand the malls in the Philippines are not like the U.S. People come here, they come here to escape the heat, come here for the free aircon, they come here for entertainment. Sometimes there's talent shows and beauty contests, and they come here to eat, meet family, go to the movies. You can also come to the mall and get your haircut, pay your electric, pay your cable, pay your internet. So a lot of things you can do here. You can also buy plane tickets and boat tickets and exchange money. So the malls in the Philippines are definitely different than the U.S. They're kind of a central hub for people to meet, take care of business, and for entertainment. So let's talk about some of the types of girls that you can meet here at the mall. There's three types really. First, you have the type of girl that's really kind of like a freelancer, kind of a pro, a pay for entertainment type of girl. Now those girls are usually found out here on the terraces, and they will approach you. If you stand at the railing for any amount of time, you're going to be approached by a girl, and they're going to be a pro, and they're going to say, hey, do you want a massage? Do you want some fun tonight? They usually come up to you and they'll just say something like, hey, what time is it? And then they'll kind of go into their spiel. Now, you also have, if you're looking for that type of girl, be careful. There are a lot of ladyboys here in the Philippines. Usually they don't hide it, and you can pretty much tell. The second type of girl in the Philippines is kind of, they're not a freelancer, but they're looking for free entertainment. So maybe they're not looking for money up front, but they're just looking for fun. A type of guy who's going to maybe take them on vacation someplace, take them to their condo, swimming, movies, free dinner, free drinks for them and their friends. They're usually not going to be alone. They're going to be with a group of friends. And you can have that type of girl become a girlfriend. I mean, not all of them are bad. It's just that they're usually looking just for the type of fast guy who's going to give them some free entertainment, traveling, movies, dinners, things like that. Now, the problem with this type of girl is who knows how many other guys she's approached, who knows how many other guys she's met. She's not necessarily a freelancer, but probably not the exact type of girl maybe you want to take home to mom or marry. Third type is you can meet some great girls here, and they're just wandering around the mall. They're here as customers, and they're also here in working in the stores. Now, those types of girls, are going to be a decent girl. They're going to be working a full-time job, and they're probably going to be a decent girl to meet. Those, in my opinion, have been some of the best girls that I have met here in the Philippines. You can meet them just walking in the store and ask them for help, and just ask them straight out, what's your phone number? What's your Facebook account? I find asking them what their Facebook account is the easiest way. They all get free Facebook Messenger here in the Philippines, and so they can constantly message you and stay in touch with you. If they have a phone and you get their phone number, then they may not have load and you may not hear from them again. Facebook, you can friend request them if you want, send them a message, and they have that free Facebook Messenger, so there should be no reason that you can't stay in touch with them. Now, the problem with these types of girls are they're working 6 days a week a lot of times, and on their day off, they don't feel like going out. They just want to rest, they want to take care of their laundry, hang out with family, or just sleep and get caught up on rest. So, yeah, there are some downfalls, but if you're looking for a good girl, this is probably the type of girl that you want to meet. Okay? That's it. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and stay in touch with my latest content, and I will see you guys next time. See ya.